Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a virtual trip across the pond to England, a land brimming with history, culture and charm. From the bustling streets of London to the charming countryside villages, England offers a truly unforgettable travel experience. So grab a cuppa, settle in and let's dive into the tips that will make your England adventure truly brilliant. Knowing a few basic British phrases can greatly enhance your interactions with locals. Phrases like "excuse me, please" and "thank you" go a long way in demonstrating respect and courtesy. Embrace the linguistic diversity and immerse yourself in the sounds of England. Tipping can be a bit of a minefield, especially when traveling to a new country. In restaurants, it's standard practice to leave a 10 to 15% tip if the service has been good. Now, let's talk about taxis. It's common to round up the fare to the nearest pound or give a small tip, especially for longer journeys. And when it comes to pubs, tipping isn't typically expected. However, if you're feeling generous or have received exceptional service, you can always offer to buy the bartender a drink. England boasts an excellent public transportation system, especially in major cities like London. From the iconic red double-decker buses to the underground tube, getting around is a breeze. I highly recommend purchasing an Oyster card or using a contactless payment method for seamless travel on public transport. England, much like many European countries, values politeness and respect in public spaces. It's considered impolite to talk loudly on public transport, in restaurants or in queues. And speaking of queues, the British are renowned for their orderly queuing etiquette. Cutting in line is a big no-no and will likely earn you some disapproving looks. England is an absolute treasure trove of history, with ancient castles, grand palaces and iconic landmarks scattered across the country. Many historical landmarks offer guided tours, which I highly recommend for a more immersive and informative experience. Venture off the beaten path and discover hidden historical gems in smaller towns and villages. One of the joys of traveling is immersing yourself in different cultures, and England is no exception. The British value personal space, so avoid standing too close to others, especially in queues or on public transport. And while it's perfectly acceptable to strike up conversations with locals, be mindful of their personal space and avoid asking overly personal questions. British cuisine might not have the most glamorous reputation, but trust me, there's more to it than fish and chips, although those are delicious too. Be sure to sample local specialties like a full English breakfast, shepherd's pie, or bangers and mash. Look for cozy pubs and traditional tea rooms for an authentic culinary experience. One important thing to remember is that England uses different electrical outlets than the United States and other parts of the world. To ensure you can charge your electronics, it's crucial to pack a travel adapter. I recommend getting a universal adapter that works in multiple countries, as it will come in handy for future travels as well. England's weather can be notoriously fickle, with sunshine, rain and everything in between, sometimes all in a single day. Pack layers of clothing that you can easily put on or take off as needed. And of course, no trip to England is complete without a trusty umbrella. Trust me, you'll be grateful you have it when those unexpected showers roll in. Before you embark on your England adventure, there's one crucial thing you shouldn't overlook: travel insurance. Travel insurance provides peace of mind in case of unexpected events such as medical emergencies, trip cancellations or lost luggage. Read the policy carefully and familiarize yourself with the coverage details and claim procedures. Well, there you have it, my top do's and don'ts for traveling to England. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiration. I wish you all a wonderful and unforgettable journey to England. Cheers!